Hello, I am Sherelle Clausell, aka US30 Queen, named by the people. I am going to be talking to you about the Webull account today. You have two options, well, actually three options of using Webull. You can download this program right here. You can download this program on Webull, from Webull, or you can use it online. And you can also use it on your phone, download the app on your phone, and also go online and use it online. So it's like still online, but on your phone. Okay. The market is shooting up right now. It tells you right here what your total value is in your account, and that's in profit. It tells you your buying power. So every time I get some dividends, it shows up here. I haven't deposited since I put $676 in my account. Yes, but you can see my profits is $1,208. My loss right now is $728. So if I close everything right now, I would have $1,208. But if everything goes back into profit, I'll have close to $2,000 in my account. Now remember, I only started this account off with $676. Okay, so that tells you that there. And then it tells you where the promotions are, if anything is going on. They have different promotions. And if you have any messages, they'll tell you Webull team, price alerts, trading assistance, the promotions, the client service feedback if I have questions or concerns or anything like that. Safety reminders when you're doing logins. They have IPOs that are going on. You click on them, it'll take you to the website where they're at. And the Webull is really good to use, download it as an app because you get all the promotions and spin the wheel and claim your prizes and things like that that way. And Webull features a learning center. They have a learning center that will educate you on how to use Webull and things about the market. They have earnings, Webull letters, account manager information, corporate actions reminder, order assistance. So it's like all kinds of reminders in here and things that are going on. And even if you have questions or concerns about something, they have the client service feedback that you can click on, and you have any questions or concerns, they usually respond to you in less than 24 hours. They're really good about it and they're very respectful. And that's the message center. Now, the way I have mine set up here is that you can create your custom window, your clone your window, reset current layout, things like that. You have all these different options here. So what I do is with mine right here, I have my watch list, my stocks, the markets, how the market's doing, the screener was how to customize everything about my account, and paper trading. Down below, you have the learning center. You contact us, and which is Webull, and settings, right? So with that being said, I click on watch list. Everything on my watch list is here, right? All the different stocks, my positions, and recently viewed, right? So you have all of those in there. So with that being said, you click on stocks, it'll take you where you have a drop-down list of recently viewed, my positions, all stocks, watch list. The same thing that you have right there. It'll be right here on the side. And then on your charts, this is just like using TradingView. It gives you the options with the trend lines, the different trend lines to use, the parallel, the polygon, the rectangle, pitchfork, and the channel. when you're using the channel, it lets you know, it's just like that. It's letting you know where the market has been. So when I come back, it'll show you where the market's been. So right now, it's like it was on a downward channel, right? Instead of an upward channel. Now, if I pull another one, it jumps over there, but the point was to get it on the other side. But it didn't. So I'll delete it. You hit trash at the top, but my goal was to actually, yeah, it's not working. So usually it'll follow wherever the market is at. And then if you click on it, you can edit it. You can change the lines, how you want them to look and the colors of them. You can make it where it's filled in and where it's not filled in. And all right, then you can just trash it. And then it also has the Fibonacci retracement. I use Fibonacci a lot. You can go in, pull the Fibonacci, and it allows you to change the settings. So if the numbers weren't sitting right for you, you can change it. Like this one, my high was actually 37,160. I can change it to 37,160. And the bottom price was 70 cents. And I have it at 0. So I can change that to 0.7, right? And you can change all of these in here. Like I like this to be 76.4, you know, I like to have an 88.2. So you can go in there and it'll alter that for you. And you can change the color of it to how you want it, things like that, okay? And you can lock it also. So if you click back on it, you can lock it where it stays on there. And this will show up when you go online. Once this refreshes, it'll show up on your online account also. Anything, any alterations or anything you do here, it'll show up on your online account and on your phone as well. So anything, any markups or anything you do, unlike the MetaTrader 4, when you're doing regular trading, this actually saves on every other platform that you have. That's the benefit of it also. Okay, so with that being said, you can go to every pair that you have marked up and how you marked it up. It saves for you. It absolutely saves for you. So I've been like marking up for a while, and I keep an eye on everything. It tells you your positions, how many positions you have. I have 454 positions. I'm out of profit. The market actually dropped to currently 30 cents. I will not hit profit until $1.31 unless I add more money to this account at the 30 cents and buy more shares. And then I'll start hitting profits when the market starts going up. And it'll show a difference on there. This position will come down here. Okay, so that's one thing with that. And then you have your cryptos and everything like that. So anything that you mark up, it'll show here. Yeah, anything you mark up, it'll show here. It'll show you your positions, how many positions you have and things like that. Now on GNW, I own GNW shares. I have 64 positions. I have 64 positions. Now on quotes over here, this is what I like. It'll tell you that is at $3.67 cents, basically 68 cents because it's 0.675, right? It tells you the high of the market opening, and then it tells you that the market is open and the date. But when the market is closed, it actually has a pre-market and a post-market also. So when the market closes, it tells you where the price is moving to, whether up or down, when the market closes, because they have that, it's called aftermarket, right? And then they have the pre-market when the market is actually open. It has the market opening, and you can click on more. It tells you all the key statistics. It tells you the opening, the low, the previous close, the average volume of it, the 52-week high. You have the 52-week low over here. It tells you the range, the percentage range that is at, the turnover, the things like that. And then just so you know, on your computer or on your phone, you will get this little box over here. And it actually tells you your trade. It'll tell you buy or sell. You can buy and sell, right? So you can go long or you can go short. You can have it on limit order. In order to do a limit order, say for instance, I'm thinking the market is going to come down to $2.60 and I want to buy again, I'll do create an order at 261. And when I click on that, it will then create an order. It will create an order, right? And it's at 10 units. But you can delete that order as well by right-clicking and deleting. But what you do is it tells you how many units are on here. So you can change the units because it was already on 10 units. Like say, for instance, I wanted to buy 10 units on a buy limit, or say, for instance, I wanted to buy 500 units at $2.60. And I changed the limit order to $2.60. That means that the market will not activate this trade until $2.60, right? And then I can have it on day. And then it tells you edit the hours, extended hours. You can say yes. So on the extended hours that the market has, so if it goes down during the extended hours, yes, you want it to kick you in that trade. Now take profit. Now you can have it on percentage. If you grow at 10%, if you grow at 5%, or if you grow at 50%, you can have it on the percentage. And it's also, you can do a take profit. Like say, for instance, the highest this has been was $18, right? But you want to at least hit it to like $9. So if I change it to my take profit at $9 at 500 shares, that will be my, it'll tell you your estimated profit will be $3,200. And the cost, the estimated cost for this would be $1,300. So you'll be making about, let's say 2,000 minus 100, maybe $1,900 profit. If you spend $1,300, you'll make about almost $2,000 profit with 500 shares. You change it over to 250 shares. It will estimate it and calculate it for you. You'll make estimated profit $1,600, and you'll be spending $650 on if you get kicked in that buy limit. That's what would happen if you get kicked in that buy limit. That's what your estimated profit would be at $9. If you change it over and you want to ride this out until the $18 at 250 shares, that will cost you still $650, but your profits will increase with estimated profit $3,850. Now, you can have a stop loss, but usually if you're on a cash account with Webull, you don't want a stop loss. I don't use a stop loss when I'm with using Webull because I'm on a cash account, so it won't eat up your profits like a margin account. Like with the MetaTrader 4, it will eat up your profits. So you can do your take profit anywhere, or you could have no take profit, but you can see where the profit would be at if you actually put it on there, a limit price. So if you choose to use a limit price, that's how it would show up, okay? So, and it tells you your orders, if you have any pending orders, if you all your positions, it shows you all your positions there, and you can move these around to where you want them to be, where you want them to sit at, okay? So after that, And oh, you can also edit this where it shows you your symbol name, your spark line. Your spark line is basically if the market is bullish or bearish, if it's going long or if it's going short, or if it's in a buy or if it's in a sell. They all mean the same, okay? So, and then your price change, your volume, your stock logo. If you want to see what the logo look like, it'll show you what the logo look like. It'll put a G or F or whatever like that, so you can find it easily. Positions, news, alerts, and corporate. But what that means is the news, like say for instance, any news came out, it'll show you right here. Like OPK got some news recently. You click on the news, it'll tell you that this came out to yesterday. Yesterday at 1 p.m., they said 11 stocks moving, a VWAP breakout. It'll tell you the news, and it actually, you can hit play and listen to it. It'll read this to you. So it'll let you know if there's positive news, negative news, things like that. And you just, it'll help you stay updated on each stock that you have. Apple will have a minimum impact from China's lockdown, according to the analyst. And this was posted yesterday. So you get all the news and updates and things like that. You can, any notes that you have about Gen Work, because we're in Gen Work right now, it'll tell you all the different news that came out, the date, if it came from Dow Jones, Benghazi, Seeking, what is it, Seeking Doubtful. It'll tell you all these different Insider Monkey, MT Newswire. It's different articles from different different sources. So you get tons of it. So you can go back in history and see the news articles that came out on different ones. It'll tell you the financials with the company, what's going on with the company. You can look at everything that's going on for the quarter. It'll tell you most people are holding with this one. It's no strong buy, there's no buy, there's no underperform, no selling. People are just buying it and holding it. That's what they're doing. They're just buying it and holding it. Now remember, I told you I have 64 positions in it. Oh, the market is shooting up right now. That's beautiful. Okay, so something is shooting up right now. Dogecoin, Stellar Lumens, Zomedica looks like it wants to move. It wants to move up, but it'll tell you people are buying Zomedica. They're buying it. The high is, they'll tell you the average high for Cardano. They don't have the analysis on there. I have 43 positions on that. I'm in profit. It's down at 96 cents right now. For Grab, they'll tell you on Grab the analysis. It's a strong buy. It has people buying and 46%. People are holding 23%. There's no underperform, and selling 7.69% people are selling. So more people are buying than selling. And a target for this would be $8.20. Okay, but the highest this has ever been was $18. The highest has been was $18 for Grab. And right now I have 3 positions on Grab at $3.50. And what I can do is I can set an alert for this when it hits $9, right? So I can do create alert, and I can change that alert to $9. And I want unlimited alerts on it. I put the news, any sharp rise, any sharp fall, when the new 52-week high, new 52-week low, surpass the 5-day average. And it gives you all these options. What went below, when went higher, things like that. You can click on all of them, and you can put more than one alert. So if I want to know the same thing when it hits $18, I can change it to that. If I want a price when it hits $5, I'm going to have an alert for that. You can have up to 6 alerts. You can have up to 6 alerts on per per pair, per trade, okay, per stock. You can have up to 6 alerts per page, okay? So if I wanted to hit $4, I want it to be alerted. If it hits, I'm gonna say $12. If it hits $12, I want to be alerted. Okay, but if it hits, like, say for instance at $3.40, if it goes below that, I'm gonna say I want to know if it hits $3. So you can do it above or below, and you hit save, and all my alerts you see pop up, all my little alarms, they all pop up on the screen. Okay, so that's how you can set alerts. Now your phone, if you have the app on your phone, or if the company has your phone number, they'll send you a message to your phone alerting you that something changed for this market. So if you're looking for an entry or if you're looking for an exit, these alerts will automatically go to your phone, and they will alert you. You get a lot of emails from Webull as well, and promotions. Oh man, the market is shooting up. That's a beautiful thing. Alrighty. Looks like cryptos are shooting up. Cryptos are shooting up. Yeah, I have quite a few things that are in profit or not. I have 4 positions on this one. So anyways, with that being said, now if I click on markets, it'll show me the index chart, like S&P 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ. It'll tell me if they're up or if they're down, the net flow. It'll tell me the advance in December. It'll tell me everything that's going, did I say December? Advance and declines. It'll tell you the advance and declines. On here, on the global, it'll tell you indexes and the Forex. It'll tell you who's doing good from different countries. AUD USD is in the red right now. USD, the US dollar right now, US Canadian, we are 1.26. And GBP, it'll tell you that 1.30 is up 15% right now. And then you have the US Swiss, it's up 0.02%, 93.9334. Okay, so those are the indexes. These are the indexes, and this is the Forex. Indexes are the top companies for the different countries. So you got S&P 500, TSX, Composite, and then you have right here Dow Jones, and they have an S&P 500, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ. They're all going bullish right now. They're all going bullish right now. Okay. And also the cryptos are going bullish like crazy right now. The cryptos are really going bullish right now. So then you have all the different news on here. You have the top gainers right now, the losers. It tells you the top gainers. So you can put on there the last change, the name, the symbol. So the change percentage, it'll tell you things like that. You can have it on day, pre-market, after hours, 5 minutes, things like that. You can change it to the 52 weeks, like 52-week high and lows. They'll have it in order on there. And you can have it pre-market, aftermarket, in the last 5 minutes, and what's going on for the full day. And then it has a heat map, what's going on the heat map, like the financial text, the hotel entertainment. You have textiles, apparels, and then you have right here, you have different companies right here. It moves over for you. And then it gives you options, you know, it gives you different options. It tells you on the side over here, the different ones of the heat map, what's going on with each one, right? You have calendars, you have IPOs, different IPOs that are coming out. I like the IPOs because and you can move it around also. It'll tell you the deadline, the listing date. So you can buy IPOs with this as well. IPOs, crypto stocks. Yes, whether they're part of the New York Stock Exchange or the OTC, you can buy them all there. Okay, and then you have right here, you have the industry, 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months. It'll tell you what's going on with real estate and all the other ones. So you have a lot of options here, a lot of options. So that's on markets. And then you have screeners, like things that you're screening, you're looking at, and then my screens, you know. And then you can choose your widgets, your layout, and you can do a blank layout and lay it out how you want. So you saw mine for day traders. I have mine is something like that. How I got mine laid out, but mine is a little different than that one. So you can always alter it and change it. They have default and customized ones, things like that. So this is my actual layout, how I have mine, my trade, my active trade. You can buy by 100s. You can buy by 100s, and or you can buy by how many units you want to buy, or you can buy by the printed percentage quantity, right? And then you can do market execution. You can do market execution where you just enter the trade right where it's at. That's another thing I'm going to say. You can enter the trade right where it's at. You don't have to wait for it to do a buy limit or sell limit. You can actually buy it right on site, or you can sell it right on site. You can go long or short. Okay. So with that being said, oh my goodness, my Webull, I'm at 37.33. Remember, over a month ago, I was down at almost 50%. And I only had $900 and some, and I was still $700 and some down. I haven't added any more money to my account. This is all profits, right? So I'm only 37% down right now on my portfolio. This is my portfolio. So I have the other ones that I'm on my watch list that I'm going to be getting in. There's a few of them that I'm watching the price on it while the market has been moving, that I'm planning on getting into. There's a few of them that I've been watching. And the fact that we own HNOI shares that I've been telling you guys about. So our goal, the private shares that we own, it's amazing the things that we can get into, you know. So I'm gonna go back to my my positions. All right, and GNW. So yeah, we got ADT, and then you can put notes on there also, by the way, and you can lock it where it's not moving. That would be under T, like text box. And once you click on it, you come over here, and then it'll put ADT for you. And then you can just type in any notes you want to type in, and then it'll save it for you. You can change the color of it, whatever color you want, that makes you happy, you know, and then just lock it in there, okay? And you can trash it when you don't want it. So I'm waiting on ADT to shoot back up. I'm actually only have one position at $10.64. And more than likely I'll get some more positions, but right now I'm just watching a lot of things right now on my watch list. So I'm keeping an eye. These are things I actually chose that I've been sharing with you guys. Okay. These are my watch list. These are the things I've been sharing with you guys. And of course you can scroll over and it gives you all the details about each one. right? It gives you the details about each one. So you can change it where it tells you the last, you can change the change percentage. Like right now, Bitcoin is up 761%. Right now, MDX is up 137, which is NASDAQ. You have Ethereum up 62%. Dow Jones is up 52%. Oh, wow, look at my account shooting up, you guys. You have Apple, which is Alphabet, which is Google stock, is up 19%. I mean, no, it's up 7.76%. I sold my Facebook stock. I don't have my Facebook stock anymore. I sold that before the market dropped last year. Yeah, I sold that last year. So, and then just so you guys know, like your order flow, it tells you right here, your corporate actions, anything that they're doing, they give out dividends or anything like that, releases, profiles, and chart. Even on here, just so you know, they we've been getting emails recently too. They'll send you emails. So with ADT, I have to go vote on ADT. I just voted on GNW because I own, I own 64 shares of it, but they have it where I have 38 shares that I get to vote on because I recently got these other shares. Yeah, so yeah, whoo, the market is moving, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Indices is moving, you guys. And cryptos are moving. Indices and cryptos are moving up. Today is April 13th of 2022. My name is Sherelle Clausell, AK30Queen, named by the people. And this is how I use my Webull. You have any questions or concerns, my Telegram, you can always reach out to me. I'll put the link below in this video. And I'll also put my referral link for Webull so you can sign up and reach out to me on my Telegram. And in my article group, I'm posting my markups all the time. I'm posting my information, whatever I see in the market. So I'm here. I'm here to help you grow your assets. I'm here to help you grow your portfolio. You have questions or concerns, I'm always here. Just reach out to me. On Instagram, I'm US30QUEEN. I'll also put that link below. So just letting you guys know, blessings to you, blessings to all you do. Keep growing, keep inspiring yourselves and inspire others to do better and to have better. Take care. Blessings to you. Bye-bye.